This man has purchased an abandoned Mercedes AMG S63, and its condition is difficult to believe. Once a luxury performance sedan, it is now covered inside and out with thick layers of dust, dirt, and debris. While most people would see nothing more than a scrap car, the restoration team sees the opportunity to bring this premium machine back to life. Because the car is no longer roadworthy, a recovery truck is called to transport it safely to the workshop. As soon as the Mercedes is unloaded, the restoration begins.
The first step is a complete cleaning. Before dismantling anything, the team uses high-pressure compressed air to blow years of accumulated dust out of every corner of the car. With the car clean enough to inspect, the technicians remove the old white protective covering from the body before starting the complete disassembly. Their goal is to strip the Mercedes down to its bare shell, so every component can be cleaned, repaired, restored, or replaced.
The work begins inside the cabin. They remove the front seats by loosening the mounting bolts and disconnecting the electrical connectors beneath them. With more working space available, they move to the dashboard, carefully removing the LED lighting units, dashboard trim, mirror controls, automatic door lock mechanisms, electronic control modules, wiring harnesses, and every connected accessory. At the same time, another team works on the rear section of the cabin. They remove the rear seats and continue dismantling the surrounding trim panels and interior components. Since the Mercedes AMG S63 is equipped with numerous luxury features, the dashboard contains a large number of switches, sensors, control units, and electrical connections. Every part is disconnected patiently to avoid unnecessary damage.
The technicians continue by removing the front door panels, exposing the internal structure of the doors. Window regulators, speakers, insulation, wiring, and protective covers are detached one after another. They also remove the interior trim panels that cover the metal body. Floor mats, carpeting, rubber seals, plastic covers, and sound insulation are lifted out until the luxurious interior is reduced to nothing but a bare metal shell. Throughout the dismantling process, every screw, bolt, clip, and bracket is carefully stored and organized.
With the interior completely stripped, the attention shifts underneath the car. Using impact tools, they loosen the wheel nuts and remove all four wheels. This exposes the brake assemblies, suspension components, and wheel hubs, allowing the mechanics to continue dismantling the lower section of the vehicle. Now comes the most important stage of the project, removing the engine. While one technician continues working on the suspension, the rest of the team disconnects everything attached to the powertrain. Coolant hoses, oil lines, electrical connectors, intake components, mounting brackets, and supporting accessories are removed one by one. The inner fender liners and underbody protection panels are also taken off to provide easier access. Once every connection has been released, an engine hoist is used to lift the complete engine safely out of the chassis.
With the engine placed securely on a workbench, the mechanics begin dismantling it in detail. They remove the intake assembly, cooling fan, engine covers, pulleys, sensors, coolant pipes, oil lines, and other accessories. As the engine is opened, old engine oil slowly drains from different sections, while more internal components become visible. The dismantling continues as timing chains, gears, valve train components, and other precision parts are exposed. Some of these components remain in good condition because they were protected by engine oil, while others have become rusty after months of neglect. The mechanics patiently remove countless bolts, nuts, washers, seals, and brackets, knowing that every part must be inspected before the rebuilding process begins.
Watching the engine come apart is incredibly satisfying because each removed component reveals another piece of the engineering hidden inside. If you're a true car enthusiast, you probably recognize many of these parts. Tell us in the comments how many engine components you can identify, and let's see who knows the most. The engine alone takes hours to dismantle because every major assembly contains dozens of smaller precision components. By the end of this stage, the workshop is filled with neatly organized parts. The interior has been completely stripped, the body shell stands empty, the suspension has been dismantled, and the engine has been reduced to individual components. With the entire vehicle now fully disassembled, everything is finally ready for the next stage of the restoration, where each part will be cleaned, repaired, refinished, and prepared for reassembly. While a few technicians continue removing the remaining underbody components, the rest of the team begins cleaning the dismantled parts. Every reusable component is inspected carefully before being washed, while heavily rusted or damaged pieces are set aside for replacement. The body shell and all removable parts are cleaned using pressure washers, degreasers, and industrial cleaning solutions. Thick layers of grease, dirt, and old oil are removed from every surface, both inside and outside the car. After washing,
all the parts are left to dry completely before moving to the next stage. Once the body is dry, the painting process begins. The painters carefully mask sections that should not receive paint using plastic sheets and masking tape. Fresh paint is then sprayed over the exterior body, engine bay, door frames, bonnet, and trunk area. One technician also paints the inner sides of the doors, the underside of the bonnet, and the trunk lid to give every visible section a factory fresh finish. After allowing the paint to dry, they continue spraying the remaining body panels until the entire shell looks brand new. While the paint cures, another team begins rebuilding the engine. Every cleaned component is inspected before installation. Usable parts are refurbished, while rusted or worn components are replaced with new ones. The mechanics carefully assemble the engine in the reverse order of dismantling, reinstalling the internal components, timing system, covers, sensors, pulleys, cooling parts, oil lines, and every remaining accessory.
New seals and gaskets are fitted where required, and every nut and bolt is tightened securely. Once the engine has been completely rebuilt, it is lifted with an engine hoist and lowered carefully back into the engine bay. The mechanics align it correctly before securing it to the engine mounts. They reconnect the wiring harnesses, coolant hoses, oil lines, intake components, and every remaining connection required for proper operation. Attention then shifts underneath the vehicle. The suspension components, brake assemblies, wheel hubs, splash shields, and protective underbody panels are reinstalled one by one. The shock absorbers are fitted back into place, followed by the remaining suspension parts. Every fastener is tightened carefully to ensure everything is correctly aligned before the wheels are installed. The team now moves back inside the cabin. They reconnect the electrical wiring before reinstalling the dashboard, electronic control modules, LED lighting units, mirror controls, switches, and the remaining interior accessories. The seatbelt mechanisms are fitted, followed by the carpets, insulation, plastic trim panels, and other interior pieces. The refurbished seats, now fitted with fresh covers, are secured back into position. New interior door panels replace the old damaged ones, and the remaining door accessories, speakers, switches, and trim pieces are installed. With each section completed, the luxurious interior gradually returns to its original appearance.
The exterior assembly follows next. The doors are mounted back onto the body and aligned carefully before fresh window glass and new side mirrors are installed. The bonnet is adjusted to achieve even panel gaps, while the remaining body panels and exterior trim are secured in place. At the front, the restored grille, brand new LED headlights, and a new front bumper completely transform the appearance of the Mercedes. At the rear, the bumper, tail lights, trunk trim, and remaining exterior accessories are also installed. Before calling the project complete, the mechanics perform a thorough inspection. They check every electrical connection, fluid level, hose, and mounting point to ensure everything has been assembled correctly.
One final inspection is carried out underneath the vehicle before the wheels are fitted permanently. The technicians perform a precise wheel alignment, ensuring the suspension and steering are correctly adjusted. The transformation is now complete. What once looked like a forgotten and abandoned Mercedes AMG S63 has been turned back into a stunning luxury performance sedan. The flawless paintwork, refreshed interior, rebuilt engine, and carefully restored mechanical components make it look almost as impressive as it did when it first left the factory. From a dust-covered shell to a fully restored masterpiece, every stage of this project highlights the skill, patience, and dedication of the restoration team. If you enjoyed this incredible transformation, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment some words of appreciation for these workers.